I'll tell you what, we live in interesting times. Here we are, beginning in February, and already it feels like a whole year of stuff has happened.
Yeah, and look, if we were having this conversation 2 days ago, it's very different to what we're having today. So, it's there's things are moving quickly, and so I think I want to sort of have some big picture sort of thoughts on that, as well as to how you should be playing this from an overall point of view as well, because there's if you're trying to trade these markets, you're one tweet away from losing lots of money or making lots of money. It's I'm assuming it's all outside your control.
Yeah, and I sometimes think that if you're a trader, then you're going to be looking for all of the niches of volatility, and running here, running hither, running there, running over there, wherever. But sometimes, if you are actually a longer term investor, the interesting question is to what extent you look through those things. To what extent do you just say, well, these are short term noise? But what is the signal? What is the signal underneath the noise that's telling me? Is there something fundamental here that changes? And I guess DeepSeek could be one of those. Was that noise, or was it something important about the message of AI? Is the tariff situation, Trump exerting just power, or is there something actually changing in terms of the rules-based world order that is significant and could actually change the relative advantage of one economy versus another, or one industry versus another? And I guess a good example would be the automotive industry. If you look at what's happening there, you could say, well, there's something more than just noise there. There is a signal. So I guess that, as an investment analyst, the real question is, how do you tune your discriminators to separate signal from noise?
Yeah, absolutely. So I think for me, it's about having some broad-based sort of macroeconomic views about where we're sitting in terms of inflation and growth and other factors, and then how that's, and then tuning that as things go along. So what we want to do is making sure that we've got the stocks we want. Or sorry, we may not actually own the stocks we want. We know which ones we like, and we know what we're looking for. And then as you see the noise and some of the stocks fall or rise, then you can start saying, okay, I'm actually going to start picking up some of those stocks because they're the ones now at a price that I think is reasonable for that longer term.